If your website menu still looks like a basic drop-down, you are missing a huge opportunity. In this video, I will show you two powerful ways to create a professional mega menu with Elementor. One using the free version with a plugin and another one using Elementor Pro's built-in feature. Now, how you understand mega menu? It is an expanded drop-down menu that allows you to display multiple columns, images, icons, buttons, and even form inside your navigation. For first method, go to plugins, search for Max Mega Menu, install and activate the plugin. To understand this better, I have taken this sample menu which is related to cosmetic shop, and here we are showing home, contact us and product categories. Now within a product categories we are having multiple product pages. Now as you can see, this is a main menu item and this is sub menu item. Whatever menu item you want to put it as a sub menu, you need to just drag and you need to drop item where it this dotted line shows. So if I put it out, if I want to main item, then I want to put it in a main level. Now I want this in a as a sub menu, then I need to drag and drop it under product categories. So this is how it becomes a normal drop down. Now let's see our current menu look. Okay, so we have home and this is a static drop list of product categories. Now what I want is here we have three different types of products. One is a serum related, then we have few creams, and we have bunch of foundation items. So I want three different columns regarding all this. So let's see how to do that. With plugin installation, you will find here this left panel extra in appearances menus. So here you will find mega menu settings, and you will also find this kind of blue badge over menu items. So here you first need to enable it. So we want to apply mega menu in header, so I'm keeping this on, and in header we have this menu 1. After enabling this, I am going into my main menu item which will handle this mega menu. So I am clicking here, and here I am selecting this flyout menu to mega menu grid layout because I want to design that part. So by default it shows one grid, one column, but I have three category of products, so I want three columns. So I am adding here column. You can also add a row if required. Now I am shifting my all creams here. I am adding another column for my serum. Now I have put my three columns. Now let's see how it looks. So we are saving this. Okay, so now as you apply Max Mega Menu, it will take a width of a sub menu panel according to the menu item. So let's see, I am adding another item. So for demonstration, I am adding just this temporary link. Okay, now we have added two menu item. Now we have increased the width with the menu item, so panel width is also increased. Now not necessary you have a long menu, so you might face this issue. So for that you need to explore mega menu settings. So for that, go to the settings. So if you click here, here you will find more options. So we have applied headers. On header we have this mega menu. So related to all setting you will find here. So you can check out this option. We might cover this option in a future video. So for now I am exploring the relevant one only. So here you will find click behavior, hover behavior, display option, and for width you go to the menu themes. So here you go to the mega menus, and here you will find the panel width. So by default panel width is 100%, so 100% it is taking the menu width. So here you can apply, let's say I want to width a full page, so I'm applying 100 VW. This is just a demonstration purpose. I'm saving this. So below in this setting mega menus, below you will find all related to look and feel. So now menu is controlled by this plugin, so you need to apply your site look and feel to this. So that revision you need to provide here. So I'm adding here temporary, I'm adding some lighter color. Okay, now as you can see we have applied 100 VW. So this is how it shows. Now you want to apply according specific width or according to your page content, that you can also apply. So now if I see this, my main page has ID content, so I'm selecting this. So I'm applying here content, or you can select your header as well, header class, header ID, anything, any weight you want to match. So this is how it looks. Now I want to show user that first column is related to foundation, second is creams. So in short, I want to give title to my submenu items. So for that, on a top right you can check out this thing, this drop list, that is a select a widget to add to the panel. So in this panel you can add any widget from the below. So I want to add text, so I'm selecting this. Now here I am adding just I want to show the title. Here you have more option to modify it. Now I am dragging and dropping it above the section. Now similar way I will add to each panel. So basically you can say this is similar to designing section and container in page. So but you need to check out the option of plugins in whatever you are using for mega menu. Okay, now we have a total 3 columns, so let me make it 4 by 12. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Okay, so here it is. You got your title. Now you can design it differently so it looks separate from it. So for that you can go to the mega menu settings. You can apply all styling there. So here you will find little bit. Here you will find little control over the styling, but more detailed styling you can do that. So let me add some. Okay, so here we have title font. demonstrate purpose, I'm just changing the color. Okay. So as per your requirement, you can add it. You can also use other options. So let me put one image here. So I want another column, but I want to show let's say upcoming product or anything, best selling product or something like that. So I'm selecting here image. So this is how it looks. And this is it, and that's how you can create a professional mega menu if you are using a Elementor free version. Now let's use built-in feature of Elementor Pro version. With Elementor Pro, go to the theme builder and create a header template, and let's apply that template to a new page. Now from Pro section, select on a menu. So this is by default settings showing. So here first item I am making it a home, and I will put relevant URL here. Now I don't want this as a drop down content, so I will skip this. For my second menu item, I will add product categories, and here I want to show that our mega menu. So I am clicking here, I'm selecting here on, and last is I'm keeping it contact. So our main level menu items are ready. All you need to do is make this switch on. It will create a mega menu. So here when I click on this, so here it is asking drag widget here. So I am adding here our mega menu design. So in Max Mega Menu, we have a panel designing, same we are doing here. So that panel I am adding here. I am showing 4 column grid. On the first one, let me show that image. So this is similar to our regular designing. Now here I want to show first, let's add our headings, that is creams. Now I have put all 3 title. Now instead of putting links individual of products, that is creams, foundations, serums, I have created 3 separate menus, something like this. So I have created menu creams and I have put relevant pages inside it. Let me create a new one. So let's create a serums. So serums related pages I am dropping there. So now we have 3 product category menus ready. So here we are simply apply that with a simple widget, that is WordPress menu. So here I am applying it creams. So this is how you can put mega menu on any menu item you want. Simply enable mega menu And now you can design inside the mega panel just like a normal Elementor section. You can also add animations, you can control weights, adjust responsive behavior, and even add motion effects just like any widget. Let's see the final output, and this is how it looks with a pro built-in version. So obviously you have pro, then you have full creative control on this, but if you have a limited requirement, then you can also go with the max mega menu if you have Elementor free version. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.